In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to win Pumpfun Bounty in 2026, step by step. To get started, head over to Pump.fun, the platform where users launch and trade meme coins on Solana. Once you're on the site, the main idea behind bounties is pretty simple. You complete a specific task, prove that you completed it, and then claim the reward or potential investment connected to that bounty. What makes Pump.fun Bounties different is that they rely on-chain proof. That means your completion usually needs to be verifiable through blockchain activity rather than just a screenshot or a message saying you did it. So as you go through any bounty, it's important to pay close attention to exactly what kind of proof is required. The types of tasks you may see can vary. In some cases, a bounty might ask you to dare other people to complete certain actions. In other cases, it could involve finishing platform missions or participating in voting, such as hackathon-related voting activities. The key is to read the bounty requirements carefully before you begin, because each one may have different conditions, eligibility rules, or proof standards. Once you find a bounty you want to go after, complete the requested task exactly as described. This part matters a lot. If the instructions call for a specific action on the platform, make sure you do that action in the correct wallet, account, or environment tied to your Pump.fun activity. Since the reward depends on proof, even small mistakes can make your submission invalid. After completing the task, submit the required on-chain proof of completion. This is the step that connects your activity to the bounty claim. Depending on the bounty, that proof may come from a transaction, an interaction recorded on-chain, or another blockchain verifiable action. The important thing is that your submission clearly matches the requirements of the bounty. If your proof is accepted, you'll be able to claim the reward or investment associated with that bounty. At this stage, patience can help, since some claims may take time to process depending on how the platform handles verification. As a final tip, always double-check the bounty details before starting and before submitting. On-chain actions can be permanent, so accuracy is important. The better you understand the exact task and proof requirements, the better your chances of completing the bounty successfully. That's how to win a bounty on Pump.fun in 2026. Go to the platform, choose the bounty, complete the required task, submit on-chain proof, and then claim your reward if approved.